Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to talk about video chapters. This is a feature that YouTube has provided to help educational content creators organize their video better and let people who watch these educational videos scroll through the videos and see where a topic starts and ends. So it makes the video more organized. For example, right over here I've got a little course, Instagram marketing course. It's a 1 hour and 56 minutes long course. Now in the usual scenario, my viewer would have a hard time trying to find all the topics or trying to go through all the topics that are covered in this course. Now when you go through this video, you will see that on the bottom the bar, the play line, the timeline is divided into little blocks. Now these are individual chapters. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and divided this entire video into chapters or topics, and people can easily see the topic by just moving their mouse button over the video. So you can see as I move my mouse button over, you can see a little preview window, and you can also see the topic. For example, right now I'm at choosing the best Instagram handle, and as I move ahead, adding business information, turn Instagram followers into customers, best time to post on Instagram, uploading photos, introduction to IGTV, Facebook catalog, using ever liker, Instagram ads. So you can see that on this video I've got a number of topics, and people can actually scroll through the video, see what they're interested in, and watch exactly that much. So this is something that you can really use, and you should really use on longer videos, because it's going to help divide your videos into digestible chunks and is going to improve your viewership and your engagement. So if you got a long running video and you have the problem where people just go off in the middle, they don't watch the entire video, this is going to help you quite a lot, because people will be watching more of your video. And how do you do that? It's very easy. So the trick to do this is write in description a timestamp, and next to the timestamp you just put in the title about the video. So you can see you've got all these timestamps, and next to it you've got the title. So you can have as many chapters or topics in the video as you want. This is a rather long video, so you can see that I have divided into a lot of topics, and so should you, because if you got a lot of topics, people will scroll through them, people will find what they want to watch, and they will watch your videos. So you're going to be able to get more content out there in front of people. And the timestamp is a very easy format. It goes like this: hour, minute, and seconds separated by a colon. And you can skip the zero. If it's like 1 hour, then you can just put 01, put 1 instead of 01. That's perfectly fine. I have done that in my description. Now the only catch is, to enable chapters, the first timestamp should be 00.00, right? You got to begin at the very first second, 00.00. Once you do that, then YouTube realizes that you actually want to use the chapters, right? And then it will divide your videos into the topics. Then you will get this feature. So the first timestamp should be 00.00, and then you put in all the things you want. And now let's see this on the mobile phone. Let's see how it works on the mobile. All right, so I'm on a video that I created, and I put the chapters on, and you can see that when on the play bar right on the bottom, you can see little dashes. These are the chapters, and when I scroll through them, you can see that at the bottom you got a preview, and as I move through a chapter, I can see the title, like creating an Instagram account, and I move through it, choosing the best Instagram, whatever. So you see how cool it looks on the mobile phone too. It works everywhere, on the PC and on the mobile phone, and you will get fresh students, fresh viewers everywhere thanks to this feature. So let's go to the edit video section on YouTube, and let's see exactly how I put it in. So here was the heading that I put in chapters, and I started with 0.00. This is the first chapter, and then it's just text. I just typed all the chapters till the last one. And if I want to add a new one, for example at 1 hour 50 minutes, I can just do this 1 hour 50.00 and conclusion, or whatever I want. So this way you can divide your videos into chapters. Now some things in mind: don't change any existing the way of optimization that you do for the video. Type in your description in the beginning as usual, put in your call to action, put in your website or whatever details you have, put in your hashtags, and usually what you will want to do is put the topic list at the bottom. So go on and use it in your learning videos in particular, and you will definitely see your engagement grow, and in turn it's going to grow your audience too.